I was probably single digits old watching a VHS tape of Bigfoot the monster truck. I remember asking my dad if someday we could go see it, because they showed rolling the original Bigfoot out of the garage in Pacific, which is actually just right there. You know, getting it in a transport and taking it somewhere. And he said, yeah, someday, you know, like you tell kids when they're little. Well, we never did. I don't remember asking about it again. I do remember asking about going to the Anamosa, Iowa Motorcycle Museum, which when I was asking about that, it was just northwest Iowa to southeast Iowa for us. And we put it off, and we put it off, and I had college and got a job, and we just kind of forgot about it. And now it's too late because the museum's gone, and Dad can't really travel easily anymore. So, don't give up on your dreams, but don't delay them until it's too late. Grab them when you can.